students, welcome back to the video series of corporate valuation. Last class we have discussed about enterprise value, and today we are going to solve problems on relative valuation. The problem is asked in December 2016, Jan 2017. The problem is like this. The following financial information is available for company D, an unlisted pharmaceutical company which is being valued. EBITDA, that is earning before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization, given as 400 million. Book value of assets is 1000 million. Sales 2500 million. Based on evaluation of number of listed pharmaceutical companies, A, B and C have been found to be comparable to company D. So there are other 3 pharmaceutical companies which they have given for valuation. So these 3 companies were comparable with the D company. So the financial information of these companies are given as ABC, sales 1600, B 2000, C is 3200. EBITDA of ABC as 280, 360 and 480 respectively. Book value of assets 800, 1000 and 1400 respectively. Enterprise value EV is 2000, 3500 and 4200 respectively. So what they asked you to find out is compute the valuation multiples for the comparable companies and also compute enterprise value of applying the average multiples. So what you need to do is you need to find out valuation multiples of these companies and you need to compare these valuation multiples with the D, that is D company which they have given. Okay, so first step to calculate the valuation multiples are there are 3 valuation multiples as given below as considered. We need to take EV to EBITDA, then EV to book value and EV to sales. So 3 valuation multiples. So first one is EV to EBI TDA, that is for A limited, B and C and average we need to make. For A limited, EV to EBI TDA is we need to take 2000 which they have given in the problem, that is 2000 as EV divided by EBITDA of A is 280. So like this we need to calculate for A, B and C separately. This is 7.1, 3500 divided by 360, 9.7 and 4200 divided by 480. 8.8, and after finding out A, B and C's EV to EBIT DA multiple, you need to average it. So add 7.1, 9.7 and 8.8, you get the average as 25.6 divided by 3. So average is 8.5. So for all these you need to calculate like this. Okay, second multiple is EV to book value. So EV is 2000, book value is 800. So answer is 2.5. Here 3500 divided by 1000, answer is 3.5. And 4200 divided by 1400, answer is 3.00. Last one, what you need to do is average 2.5 plus 3.5 plus 3 gives you 9 divided by 3 is 3 is the answer, 3.0. So last multiple, third one, EV to sales. So 2000 by 1600 gives you 1.25. 3500 by 2000 this is 1.75. Then 4200 divided by 3200, 1.31. Adding 1.25 plus 1.75 plus 1.31 gives you 4.31 divided by 3 is 1.44. So after finding these three values, once again I will explain multiples, valuation multiple, free valuation multiple is EV to EBITDA first multiple, EV to book value second multiple, and EV to sales third multiple. So after finding this, apply the average multiples to the financial numbers of firm D gives the following enterprise value approach. Firm D. So applying the average multiples to the financial numbers of firm D. Firm D gives the following enterprise value estimates. So we call it as EBITDA basis, first basis. Second one, book value basis. Third one, sales basis. So first one, EBITDA basis, which we have calculated through average, that is average EV to EBITDA is 8.5, which we have calculated. Next, second one is EBITDA of D, which they have given in the problem, that is 400 million. So like that we need to do for book value basis. So average EV to book value. Average EV to book value is 3.0. So book value of D is, according to the question, 1000 million. So sales basis, average EV sales is 1.44 and sales of D is 2500 million. Okay, so what we can do is we need to multiply, that's all, in order to get EV of D. EV of D is multiply 8.5 into 400 gives you 3400 million. So like that, EV of D under book value 3 into 1000 gives you 3000 million. And last one, EV to D, EV of D under sales basis is 1.44 into 2500 gives you the value 3600 million. So after finding these three values, arithmetic average we need to do. So arithmetic average of these three is equal to 3400 plus 3000 plus 3600 divided by 3. All these three divided by 3 gives you the answer 3333 million. So